Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina astafa. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa innaka la'ala khuluqin azim. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wa salamun ala al-mursaleen. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina wa Habibina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. We have been talking about the fact that one of the most important elements of our deen is character, good character. So our deen is comprised of 5 things: beliefs, rituals, that is ibadat, mu'ashrat, our social interactions, mu'amalat, our mutual contracts, and then akhlaqiyat, the character. And character is defined as that a person has no spiritual sicknesses. So we have a spiritual heart, and in that spiritual heart, there are no spiritual sicknesses. And we spoke in detail about the importance of having a good character and how the building of Islam is in reality the character, the social interactions, and the mutual contracts, and even the ibadat, which are mandatory, also leads us to having a good character. So inshallah, we'll talk about different character traits, and there are 2 ways of dealing with that. One way of dealing with that is that we talk about the character trait, or the other way of dealing with that is that we talk about the spiritual sicknesses, because we have said that if you get rid of a spiritual sickness, then you improve your character. So let's talk about some spiritual sicknesses.